Many people asked me in the past how I spent lots part of my life traveling the world between different countries at the same time running a business. Hi, my name is Alessandro Rocco Pietrocola and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you know that in this channel we talk about fintech, lifestyle, financial education and investment. In general, how to be in the top 1%. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the button right now. I guarantee you it's really worth it. Today in this video, I want to share my experience about the digital nomad life. It's some very hot topic as well. Many people asked me in the past how I spent lots part of my life traveling the world between different countries at the same time running a business. I've been traveling around the world. I visit all continent and I visit around 50 countries at the moment, and I really enjoyed in the past the digital nomad lifestyle. And I would say if you are between 20 and 30, it's a really great opportunity to learn a skill, to learn how to manage your business, have a great life and enjoy traveling and new culture around the world. I think if you are watching this video and you are one of people who are interested in to join the digital nomad life, then you have to understand that one of the first things you have to have is a precise skills. So if you wish to quit your 9-to-5 job, take your bag and go right away to travel the world, the first thing you have to consider is to learn a skill that can be used to generate cash. What does it mean? So if you're working as an accountant in a large firm, you can start to understand what you should know to be a fully independent account, freelance, and be able to assist from A to Z a potential client. If you're working in a design studio, for example, and you know how to use a specific product, you should learn how to manage everything so that you can potentially sell from business card to banner to Photoshop to whatever your clients may need. If you are in any other type of business, you should understand how you can develop skills that will allow you to generate the cash. When I say to generate the cash, I mean to have a clients that can be ready to pay you because you provide an excellent service. The second step, what you have to consider if you decide to quit the 9-to-5 life and you decide to jump into the digital nomad lifestyle, is where you should incorporate your first business or register yourself as an individual commerciant, so like a sole trader or whatever is and whatever is called in your country. You should consider which one is the best country for you. Depends where you're watching me from. For some people, may be useful to incorporate a sole trade or an individual commerçant or whatever in his own country. For some other people, it's worth to explore some solution as UK or US. So it really depends where you're based and where you want to relocate to. So I will just leave as well a link to my blog where I just share some further information about doing business in the top jurisdiction. You can have a look, and in case you wish to have more information, we can always jump in the one-to-one call without any problem. So coming back to us, so you should understand where you are located and where you want to move, and etc., so that you can figure it out what is the best jurisdiction for you to incorporate the business. How to pick the best jurisdiction if you are at the very beginning. So I would pick a jurisdiction where it's easy to do business. There are not so many requirements from the accounting point of view, and the taxes are not so high, and you can basically do all the reports yourself or pay a small fee for a professional to submit your accounts. These are the parameters what I would be looking at. Now, so if you understand what is your skills, what you have to develop and what you have to focus on, if you understand the proper structure of the business, then you are ready to be a startup or entrepreneur, freelance. So you are able to start to generate your first cash and have your first client. So now you should decide which one will be the first country. I guess that if you want to join this lifestyle, you probably know which is the country you would like to fly first. So I think that you are not watching this video to discover, but just in case I can give some tips for what was my experience. I really enjoyed the Asia Southeast, so I really suggest you to go Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand are country where the cost of living is not too high if we compare with the Western country, and you still have a lot of service and a lot of nice quality and nice standard of living. So I would suggest and recommend you to visit this country. If you like more the Latin world, then I would suggest you to visit Argentina, Uruguay, and probably if you enjoy cigar like me, maybe Cuba or Dominicana, I don't know, Nicaragua. So there are lots of countries what can be visited, and these are really worth to be visited. So you're now ready to prepare your bag and book your first flight. There are lots of apps, so I'm not telling you how you can book the cheapest possible flight. There are lots of apps. You can Google it, what the destination is. You can see the offer. You can compare the offer. Now, basically, you can do all those things in internet over the Google, so you don't need to visit a travel agency, etc. So you can do your math and see what you want to spend and the condition you want to travel, and you can finally jump into the flight and go to your loved, dreamed country. After that, once you achieve that, you should keep, and in order to keep, you should develop the skills of management. I'm terrible at it, and at the very beginning, it was really a great issue for me. I mean, it's very hard when you have to organize your day and you have to push yourself to do that particular call, that particular email, or that particular job. I mean, for what was my experience, probably if you're watching this video, maybe it's something what you know already how to handle, but just I'm sharing my experience. It was quite hard for me to learn how to manage my time. But this is one of fundamental skills if you want to succeed. You need to understand that the fact that you are not working the 9-to-5 job and you are a freelancer and you have your own job, it does not mean that you can work 1 hour a day, especially if you are at the very beginning, because if you work 1 hour a day, you will need to book soon a flight back. Probably you will even not have money to buy a flight back, and you need to borrow money. So you need to be very focused. Keep on developing the initial skills. Look if you can develop alternative skills what can benefit to your business. Try to run and program your activities, and Try to figure it out how you can increase your number of clients. In another words, how to manage your marketing. Now, about marketing, and I'm not a marketer, but about marketing we can discuss hours and hours. It's not the case of this video, but I suggest everybody, especially if you are at a one-man company and you're very beginning at this experience, to have just a clear idea about the potentiality of social media can offer you, and for some particular business, how networking can be very benefit for you. Today we have internet, so you can communicate with the world very easy, and you can link with everybody without any problem. So use this opportunity in order to leverage on this opportunity in order to succeed in your business. Now, I think we already more than 10 minutes, and I try to be as short as possible. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any particular other question. Leave me a comment. I will reply to all your questions. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, show me your support. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you maybe around the world. Thank you for watching. Take care.